Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to change icon colors on Samsung Galaxy A27. You can customize the color of your icons, which means you'll basically set all of them to one color. You can also later customize the design, which I'll show you in the second part of this video, but first let's just set all apps to one selected color. To do it, you'll need to go to the settings, then go to Wallpaper and Style, and now find Color Palette. When you click on it, you can now enable it. Then you can adopt colors from your wallpaper or set basic colors that are available here. I think I'll do the wallpaper colors. Maybe let's do this one. You can see it customizes my whole system. It changes how my control center looks. Well, I'll need to apply it first. Yeah, so when I apply it, it will take a moment. And now when I slide down from the top of my screen, the control center is customized. As well as my settings app have this like barely visible background color, background tint. I can also see it in my phone app, in my calculator app, everywhere system-wide, but it didn't change my icons because I would need to go back and enable Apply Palette to app icons. Then you can see when I click on Apply, my app icons are going to be colored. They're all colored, not all of them, because some of the apps that I have installed myself will not be colored for some reason, unfortunately. So it's not perfect, but yeah, that's how you can do it. And it's the first method, just changing the colors. But you can also apply a theme to your phone to change the icon design. And to do it, you'll need to go to the settings, then themes. Now you're in the Galaxy theme service and you can click on icons. You can also apply a theme which will not only change the icons, but it will also change the colors of your system, the wallpapers, and it may also change things like apply a background image to your settings app, to your phone app, to your messages app. And it may also change if you have buttons on the very bottom instead of my gesture bar, then it may change the design of the buttons. But I'll just do icons. So if I go to icons, I can now see different ones. And most of them are paid. They are pretty cheap. But if you'd like to find the free ones to test it out, you can go to top, then click on the filter here and select free. Now we will only display the free ones, and you can select which ones to apply. I'll apply these ones, and then I can click on download. And then apply. It will take a little moment, and now my icons on my phone will be customized. Unfortunately, it does not customize all icons. It only customizes the icons that are saved in the theme, but you can see it has done it, and this is what it looks like now. I think it's pretty cool. Now, in case you want to go back at any time, you can just go back to the themes in settings, then go to menu, my stuff, and select icons, then default. And now let's click on apply. And these are two ways of changing your icons on your Samsung Galaxy A27. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.